Hi and welcome to the YouTube channel of Mind Cypress. Today we are going to talk about mistake proofing. Let's learn.
Mistake proofing, also known as poka-yoke or error proofing, is a systematic approach to preventing errors from occurring in a process. It involves implementing devices or methods that either make it impossible for an error to happen or make the error immediately obvious when it does occur. When to use mistake proofing? First, when a minor error early in the process causes major problems later in the process. Second, in a service process, where the customer can make an error which affects the output. Third, when the consequences of an error are expensive or dangerous problem in the process. Fourth, at a handoff step in a process, when output, or for service processes, the customer, transfer to another work. Three types of mistake proofing. First, prevention. Second, detection. Third, reduction. First, prevention. Prevention is the top priority for all mistake-proofing techniques. A treadmill kill switch that attaches to the runner is a great example of prevention mistake-proofing. If something happens to the runner, preventing potential injury. Second, detection. Mistake-proofing techniques that help detect errors early in a process are crucial. A tire pressure light in a car is an excellent example of detection mistake-proofing. The air pressure gauge tells the operator to get air before further damage occurs. Third, reduction. Mistakes are inevitable. Prevention techniques can't predict every anomaly, and detection techniques are essential for setting off the alarm bells. So, when a mistake does happen, having a reduction strategy at the ready can be sometimes life-saving. For example, is a fantastic reduction technique aimed at reducing the impact of a building fire. Three process placements for mistake proofing. First, after the process. A common place for mistake proofing techniques to exist is at a predetermined inspection point during the production process. Someone must evaluate the car part, ensure its quality passes a written set of standards, then decide to move it through to the next step or stop the process altogether. This enables the detection of product defects before it moves into another step of the process and causes future problems. Second, during the process. A mistake-proofing technique that occurs during the process coincides with detection. Essentially, this technique acts as a fire alarm, warning the operator or machine that an error has occurred. This enables the operator to identify precisely where the mistake took place and make any necessary adjustments before the part or product continues through the process. Third, before the process. The best place for mistake proofing, however, is before the process begins. This means that a certain set of standards or conditions must be met before the machine or operator takes the first step in the process. Setting and regulatory function. Setting function. First, the contact or physical method checks a physical characteristic such as diameter or temperature, often using a sensor. Second, the motion step or sequencing method checks the process sequence to make sure steps are done in order. Third, the fixed value or grouping and counting method counts repetitions or parts, or it weighs completeness. Fourth, a fourth setting function is sometimes added, information which makes sure information is available and where required. Regulatory function. First, warning functions are bells, buzzers, lights, and other sensory signals. Consider using color coding, shapes, symbols, and distinctive sounds. Second, control functions prevent the process from proceeding until the error is corrected, if the error has already taken place, or conditions are correct, if the inspection. Third, a regulator improperly providing confidential information to a regulated entity, a person acting fraudulently in relation to an application for a license or permit. Fourth, a conflict of interest involving a person or business. They are regulating regulators soliciting or accepting a bribe or benefit to exercise their powers in a certain way. Examples of mistake proofing. First, manufacturing using color-coded parts to prevent incorrect assembly. Second, healthcare implementing double-checking procedures for medication administration. Third, service industry designing forms with clear instructions and error-checking features.
Hope you liked our video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let us know in the comment section below the next topic you want us to talk about.